You popping them? Now don't hit the car, son. Look, pop them. You're missing some.
Pop 'em, pop 'em, pop 'em. No!
I think you missed a few. That's alright, keep trying. What about Tootsie? Does she like the bubbles?
Yes.
Does Aiden like the bubbles?
Yes.
Are you a professional bubble popper?
Yes.
Alright. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at me. Say hi.